Look at you go, Bim Bim. Oh my goodness, he's gonna fall down.
No, encourage him.
He's doing great.
Yay!
Yay! Oh, he even squatted down and picked that up. Oh my goodness, Timmy! Oh, yay, Bim Bim! He just turned 1 year old 2 weeks ago today. Yeah. Oh, did you smash your finger with that? Owie, owie.
Timmy.
I'm trying to get up with the whole pushing that thing against the wall.
Nathan, stay out of his way so he can walk a little bit. Oh my goodness.
Good job, Timmy. Mom, was I going really fast?
You're going very, very fast. Oh my
You
goodness.
saw me do that?
Yeah.
This is the most he has ever walked. Oh, out.
Okay? Yay.
Yay.
Take that out for your fun.
Oh.
Oh, he's mad now.
Oh, did you fall?
Yay!
Oh, Nathan, stay in front of him. Oh, that's okay, Timmy. It's just a machine. We're gonna have to wait till Mom's done with this part and she can watch Timmy. Is that a rubber ball?
I just thought I was going to drop it. Kite stuff here. Okay. Oh, excuse me.
Mom, now can you watch me?
Yes. Did you give away a whole bunch of those?
Yeah.
Who was there? We just like him being outside, my big boys, huh?
It's a perfect day.
Timmy, get away.
Jacob. He's learning how to walk.
Oh, that's why they have their shoes.
I was wearing sandals when I watched the movie, Mom.
Here. You guys took them off when you went to McDonald's.
What, Mom?
What?
I was wearing sandals when I watched the movie.
Well, he's trying to tread some new ground.
He just fell on his bottom.
Are you okay?
He's just
Oh
getting
yeah.
up and moving
Oh yeah,
now.
he's walking. He's walking.
Now can I go up? Come on.
So cute.
Mom, now can I go ask him?
Yes.
Oh, bonk. Yeah, you fell down. Yeah, you fell down. You don't like that, do you? He doesn't like it.
He's just angry. Watch out for timber wimmers. He's getting it.
Well, Timothy, what's wrong? Jacob, watch out for Tim Bim. Oh, did you go bonk bonk?
saying? What are you saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now can I go? Let's go.
Look both ways. Okay. Don't look one way but cross. Look both ways. Jacob, you want to try and drag this? Let's see if you like it. If you don't, we'll take it out. Okay?
Mommy, the safe.
We'll get back on.
Go ahead.